Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine, and as you guys will notice, I am in a new setting. That's because I am making this video in my living room of my new flat. So what better way to commemorate this video with a LV unboxing, and you guys can never guess what I've managed to get 2 days before the price increase. So let's just get right into this. So I went to the boutique last Sunday, so I've already had this item for about a week now, but I was waiting to make an unboxing video for you guys in my new place. So yeah, just dying to unbox this with you guys. So here's a shopping bag. Went to store last Sunday to pick it up. So that's the item here, and I believe I do have the invoices, the receipt here. And then the SA has also been really kind and given me 2 perfume samples, and one is called California Dream and the other one is Attrape Rêve. I don't even know if I said that right. My French is just horrendous, so I do apologise. They're both meant to be really sweet perfumes, so I can't wait to give those a try. So this is the box here. I'm just going to undo the ribbons. And then that's the item in the dust bag. I'm just gonna put the box aside. And can you guys guess what this could be? Yes, guys, this is the Pochette Accessoires in the monogram print, and these are so hard to find online and in store. And I guess I just got super lucky just getting this. It was the Sunday that I went into store to collect this, and it was the Tuesday that the price increase went up. So I think it's gone up by just over 100 quid, so it's a bit crazy, and I'm just glad I got this. So this is the Pochette Accessoire in the monogram canvas, and yep, this is the beauty right here. And this one is made in Spain, and she is absolutely perfect. I have been looking for this for about a month now, and obviously I've been starting a website, I've been calling client services up, and I've had absolutely no luck. And then I just happened to message another essay from my local LV store, and within a week afterwards she got back to me saying that she had one that came in, and she messaged me to reserve this for me, and I just picked up in store on Sunday. So that is really good of her to do that for me. So I was a bit nervous going in, thinking that she might not actually sell this to me, because of, you may have seen my Speedy 20 unboxing video. Another essay refused to sell me Speedy 20 because I already had a limited edition, like hard to find, like the pink rose denim nano Speedy. So I was kind of just a bit nervous going in, thinking she's not gonna sell me this Pochette Accessoire. This other essay, she's not going to sell me the Pochette Accessoire, knowing that I got the nano Speedy, but she did. So I don't know what the situation was or what the problem was with the first essay, but this essay was lovely, and you know, she messaged me to let me know that this came into store, and I managed to get this before the price increase. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I would wear this. I generally prefer wearing the Pochette Accessoires crossbody rather than as a shoulder bag. I do also have this bag in the Dame Azur, and it was like my second purchase from LV from like 7-8 years ago. So I think this is definitely, like, this cost me twice as much as what I paid for my Dame Azur one back 7-8 years ago. So it's absolutely crazy. So yeah, so as you can see, you can wear this on your shoulder, and I'm in just my cozy tracksuit set. I don't know. I'm just staying at home today. It's a Saturday, so I'm just chilling. And then I also want to show you guys wearing this with the Speedy 20 fabric strap and a vaqueta strap that I managed to find on Amazon. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna change the straps. So let's see, we're gonna take this off. So this is the first day of sunshine I've seen over the last 2 weeks since I got back from my trip in Portugal. We've had 2 storms in the UK. So I hope, you know, if you guys are affected by, was it Storm Dudley or Storm Eunice? I hope you guys are safe. We up in Scotland is, I mean, it was pretty bad. It was pretty windy and it was raining, it was snowing. But I've also heard it was pretty awful down in England as well. So I hope you guys are safe. So that's a strap taken off. And then I'm just going to show you my vaqueta strap that I got from Amazon. I did make a video on getting this strap as well from Amazon, which will give you all the details on I'll have the Amazon link on that video. I'll probably copy and paste it onto the comments, into the description box in this video too. So I'm just clipping this on. So that's it on here. I'm just going to put it on. Yep. And so that's it with the vaqueta strap on. And it's just so easy to wear. I get why this bag is so popular. It's so easy to wear and it just carries your essentials, so it's perfect for, you know, your errands or just for a nice dinner out. And now I have my Speedy 20 strap. And I'm just gonna clip it on. I think I prefer this combination, this colour combo, compared to the Fuchsia one that they also have available. This is much more neutral. It's, you know, pastel pink, it's beige, it's black, and it just goes with my wardrobe so much more, like, better. So that's it with the Speedy 20 strap. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still pretty excited and stoked that I managed to find Pochette Accessoires, especially before the new price increase. So that's the second Pochette into my new collection, into my collection. I also have the Damier Azur one, and I probably won't be letting these go anytime soon because it's like gold dust, and I certainly won't be paying the new price for these. So I am super lucky and super grateful that I've been managed to find these unicorns. If you guys have any questions about this item or any of my items that I've made videos on, please let me know, and as usual leave it in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much and take care. Bye.